Hi everybody and welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane, this is my jam. I have this package to open up with you today. It's super light. As you can see, throwing it around. You're like, why? What kind of video is this? A luxury channel is something that she's gonna just throw around. Well, I'll show you. I ordered something and I wanted to give you first impressions of everything. And now I realize I maybe should have ordered something else because I have something else coming that will require this, or I would like this for. But I decided that I needed to get for some of my bags. Now I have some that I've spent more money on, and that I thought I should get something to protect the inside. So I wanted to get some bag organizers, and so I researched. I looked at a number of the different companies, and I finally decided on this one. It was pricier, and but I didn't care. I wanted what I thought was going to be good, so I went to Samorga. Thanks to Minx for All for offering the cool code so I could get a discount. But I bought a number of organizers. I'll show you them quickly today. I wanted you to see how they come packaged. And then one of my next videos will be showing you exactly how they fit in the bags that I bought them for. We'll put them in together, see how they fit, see if they work real well. They're supposed to be very true to size. And hopefully I picked the right sizes. I think I did. So what I got here, and I hopefully will be able to tell you when I pull them out and what they're for. I recently had gotten and received a jumbo Chanel double flap. So for that one, I got a matching burgundy. Look at all these burgundy interior. Just has the it's the, was it the 3-inch felt or the 4-inch felt? Says Samorga on the side. Has 2 interior flaps here, and then comes with just a little Samorga tag. So that's nice. It'll give the bag some stability. Stands upright like that. Then I got, speaking on still Chanel, I have a Chanel boy bag. And so I got this organizer for the boy bag. It kind of matches the color. It's the closest thing I could find. And in fact, it's even closer than I thought it was going to be, at least from here, just looking at it. So this is good. This one just has a single flap, has Samorga on the side here, and just a nice little, again, sturdy, stand upright organizer. I ordered these only about 2 weeks ago, maybe it was 3, but shipping kind of threw me off. It was $50. I'm like, oh, do I really want to spend $50? But when I looked at the other offerings, I know there's some other companies. I don't know, this one just spoke to me the most. Seemed to have the best colors, best reviews. So yeah, I went with it. This one is for, I have a Chanel mini reissue. So this is for that. One interior pocket, says Samorga. And the bag is kind of a greenish blue teal. You'll see it when I do the fittings in there. So there's that one. So I can kind of put those out here. Then I got a bag organizer for my Celine. I went with this color because I have 2 Celine Nano totes. One is like a blue jean material with a leather interior, golden leather, and I thought, well, this would still match. And then my other one is blue leather with green suede, and then a blue leather interior. So thought this one would match both of them. So if I wasn't using one but was using the other, I could put this in. This one has a pocket on this side, and there's an additional pocket on this side. So there's 2 pockets in this one. Samorga on the side, and again, just nice and sturdy. This is again for one or the other of my two Celine Nanos. I may order another one of these when I order, then I'll probably put in another order because there is another bag I have coming that I would really want an organizer for. So I have that. And then lastly, actually not lastly, looks like I got one other bag organizer here. I'll have to look at that. Well, this one I have, this is a nice red one. You may be able to guess what this is for. This is for my Speedy 25 in the Damier Eben. I wanted a little bit more to this one because it's like a black hole when you put things in there, and I love that bag, but it is really hard to find stuff. So this one has a pocket here, a pocket here. If you turn it back, there's a pocket there, a pocket there. There's two interior pockets here. There's a pocket here, and then, actually, I know what this is. This goes inside of there. So to give you even more, it's got Velcro on both the sides here, and then you can put it in here, and it Velcros to the sides, and it actually makes it so you have a compartmentalized little Speedy. So I am really excited about this one. It'll no longer be a black hole of, oh, where's my, a lot of times I'll go places and I'll have like one of my sons with me, and I'll be like, hey, can you just go in my bag and grab this? And if I have especially this bag, they are like, where on earth is it? And they'll be pulling things out of my bag like a clown car. There's so much stuff in there and they can't find it. Well, I figured this would make it so much easier. So that's what I got for my first order here. So the order came to, I believe it was $186 with my discount and with shipping. And like I said, shipping was $50. But I'm really pleased so far. I mean, with the quality and the material, and they all look like they're gonna fit perfect. The next test will be in probably my next video, where I will record putting these all in their respective bags and letting you know how they work. But I have not seen too many people do real Samorga unboxings. I've seen people go, oh, I got this from Samorga, and they get it, shove it in their purse, and don't say a whole lot about that. So I just wanted something out here, give you a little bit of an idea of how it works, what they come like. And yeah, it was just this super lightweight box, but all padded really nice. I like that there were fillers in here. I'll have to read my Samorga card later. But yeah, just a quick unboxing for you to kind of show you what I got and what these look like, and so you can kind of experience it for yourself. I will, if you have any questions, please let me know. Please like and please subscribe. Looking at my analytics, not like I have a lot of views, but it's really funny because the majority of them are people that are not subscribed. Would love to have you subscribe, and like I said, any questions, let me know. I'd be glad to answer them. It'll probably be my next video that I do, showing what fits in here, or not what fits, how they fit, maybe what fits as well. And after that, I believe the next one will be a nice unboxing that I should have coming. So that's all I have for right now. I'd like to thank you for watching, and please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you.